today we're gonna react again to no actually I did I haven't made a video of Mimi Mochi. So let's just react. Let's just react now. So you just gonna put a crown in the food? You're gonna put a crown in a food? You're gonna put a crown in a food? No. Let's skip that. Tungtong sahur. you for that, and let's eat juice. With my family, so yeah.
You looking for this? Alright, time for me to judge. Ew, Dad! Mom wins! Yes, I'm the man of the house. I don't have to clean one. Aga! So win. It's a draw. Draw? Draw this lady? Sure not. Yeah, you come and see one now. I see your cooking that.
Wait. Let's do the infinite loop.
You must decide who wins. Yeah, if I'm not in the seat, who will you say? Mom, Dad, how could I ever pick? Mom, you always make sure everyone is cared for. Plus, you're the best cook. And Dad, you always make Mom and I
I'm
laugh on
white.
bad days. You keep the family close. So, I could never choose. You're both the best parents. Aga, you're all grown up now. Okay lah. Next time you cook, I clean, okay? Yeah lah. Teamwork, teamwork. If you like that video, then give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And we make new videos every day, so remember to hit that subscribe button. And we will see you next time. Looking for the Moochies. Bye.
So guys, the video is over. So this video is over.